This podcast is over two sections, 2.6, which is writing ratios, and then 2.7, which is solving cross products. All right, the first example, a volleyball team plays 14 home matches and 10 away matches. Find the ratio of home matches to away matches. So this should be pretty much review for you guys. So starting, we are going home to away. So home is 14, away is 10. We could also write it as a fraction, 14 over 10. We can simplify our fraction. Each number is divisible by 2, so we can make it 7 over 5. Letter B, find the ratio of home matches to all matches. Home matches, there's 14. All, we have 14 plus 10, which makes 24. Again, we can simplify that fraction down. Both of these numbers are divisible by 2, 7 to 12. Solving a proportion, you guys have probably done it before. You probably learned that you can cross multiply and divide. So for this particular problem, we're going to go ahead and just do that. 11 times 30, and then divide by 6. Let me pull up my calculator. Times 30 is 330. And divide that by 6. Where'd my calculator go? Divide by 6. X equals 55. Okay, go ahead and solve this proportion by cross multiplying and dividing. All right, now if you look at this example, it says use the cross products property. Okay, this is important now in algebra because sometimes this variable is not just a variable. It might be 2x or x plus 5. So to use cross products, what that means is we are going to take the diagonals, multiply them, and set them equal to each other. Okay, so my first diagonal, that's 8 times 15. So 8 times 15. My other diagonal is 6 times x, which is 6x. So 8 times 15 is 120, and that equals 6x. Solve for x, divide by 6. 120 divided by 6 is 20. Okay, you can always plug that number back in and check to make sure that your proportions are ratios to each other. All right, now this example is exactly what I was talking about. Cross products. So let's do the first cross product. I'm taking 3 times x minus 6, setting it equal to my second cross product, which is 2 times x. So again, cross products, we are multiplying the diagonals and setting them equal to each other. So this first one I'm going to simplify. 3x minus 18 equals 2x. Okay, I need to get all my variables onto the same side, so I'm going to subtract 3x because it's positive. So I have negative 18 equals 2 minus 3 is negative 1x. Divide by negative 1, x equals 18. Okay, so again, what I did was I took my cross products. Product is multiply, so I multiplied my diagonals, and I set them equal to each other, simplified each side, and then solved for x. So go ahead and try this problem on your own. That concludes the podcast for 2.6 and 2.7.